This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by opening Settings and Samsung Notes. This is where you prepare the phone to act like a toolbar. You enable the floating shortcuts first. That gives you immediate access to pens, eraser, and layers. Once done, switch on Edge panels or the floating toolbar in Advanced Features and grant the app overlay and storage permissions so notes and exports save cleanly. These steps let the toolbar appear across apps and respond instantly when you need quick sketches or copy-paste. Now configure the toolbar inside Samsung Notes so it fits how you work. You add and order tools, pens, highlighters, lasso, image insert, and a quick export button so high-use items sit nearest the thumb. Make sure short presses select tools and long presses open size or color adjustments. That cuts taps in half during flow. Once you save this layout, test it over another app. Open a browser or document, summon the toolbar, and confirm each button acts as expected before moving to advanced act. Finish by learning practical actions. Place the floating toolbar where your thumb reaches easily and lock it if the option exists. Then practice quick exports to PDF, image, or copy to clipboard so you know where files appear. Once done, integrate the toolbar into note-taking flow, annotate screenshots, paste into emails, or sketch in meeting apps. If the toolbar stops appearing, restart Samsung Notes, recheck overlay permissions, and confirm the app and OS are updated. That fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.